First of all, no. Okay, because when you look at security and you understand the domains, you know that in order to address each of the domains effectively, you need to look at the products and in turn the solutions that help you do that. Unfortunately, no one point product can help to solve the problem of the domains. So you need to go out with a solution approach. Now, that being said, a solution, as we all know in definition, is a combination of products that work together out of the box, either virtually or physically, right? And that's how the portfolio has been built. Now today, when you look at Starlink's portfolio, we have literally tailor-made from the ground up this portfolio. We never take vendors that just come and say, add us to your portfolio. It's a cherry picking based on creating the right solution to address the problem of those domains. Now, today when you look at the portfolio, are there any gaps in the portfolio? Yes, a couple. Actually, literally two. Which we, from a security perspective, at the foundational layer, we feel there are a couple of areas that we are not yet addressing. Those are in process. But also when you look at the portfolio, we've realized our passion and our history has always been security, and that will continue. So our foundation is security. The layers, the pillars that build up our future, and the bricks, the building blocks, are always security. But when you look at the industry today, it's not just a security focus that an end user wants to look at things from. They look at it from a trends perspective. They'll say, there's IoT, there's data center and cloud, there's mobile, there's incident response, there's analytics and behavioral analytics. This is what the Gartner, Forrester, IDC, everyone is talking about. Great. Well, how do I address my security issues taking these trends into account? And so what we did is we built something called the Starlink Vertical Security Trend Matrix, which takes these trends, maps it to the top vertical industries in the market, and then comes up with the security use cases around each trend mapped to those type of customers. Again, this is a conversation starter for our channel partners to go to a customer and say, this is how you can talk about these trends in the framework of security. But from a product perspective, and this is really the crux of the answer, the future of Starlink's portfolio is to keep that foundational layer of security always, but to build up on top of it these pillars that define these trends. So you'll have a data center and cloud trend sitting on top of security. You'll have an IoT vertical or division sitting on top of security. You'll have a mobile division sitting on top of security. You'll have incident response and then a behavioral analytics. And that is where the product focus and strategy will come from.